Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Firefox on Linux. So basically your Firefox should be installed automatically, but if you somehow don't have it, you can go to the terminal, open it, and first of all you can check if your Firefox is installed by typing in the command firefox -- version. As you can see, for me it's installed, but if you don't have it, you have to simply type in the command sudo apt install firefox -y and press enter. You have to press type in the password, and for me it's installed, so it will not be installing, but now you can open it by pressing, for example, right here this icon, or you can simply type in a Firefox in the terminal and it still will work. So as you can see, our Firefox is working. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.